Hi guys, let's look at this ASVAB practice question on fractions. The question says, which of the following fractions is the largest? So in this question, we are trying to find which of these four fractions is the largest. There are two ways of going about it. The first way is convert each of these fractions to decimals. Then you can clearly see which of the decimals is the largest. The largest decimal corresponds to the largest fraction. But we are not going to use that method in this video. What we are going to do in this video is we are going to find the lowest common denominator of these four denominators. When we get the lowest common denominator, then we are going to use that to find which of the fractions is the largest. First, let's find the lowest common denominator. So the denominator here is 5, 8, 10, and 16. So we're going to break them down till we get 1. So the smallest number that can divide at least 2 of these values is 2. 5 cannot be divided by 2, so we'll bring the 5 down. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 16 divided by 2 is 8. We can go ahead and divide by 4 just to make our work faster. 4 here, we have 5, 1, 5, 2. Now we can divide by 2. 5, 1, 5, 1. And finally, we break down these 2 by dividing by 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. So to get the lowest common denominator, we multiply these values. 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. 10 multiplied by 4 gives us 40. 40 multiplied by 2 gives us 80. This means the lowest common denominator of these four denominators is 80. So we're going to write 80 down. Now you're going to do 80 divided by 5. That will give you 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 32. So instead of writing either plus or minus, you can just separate them. 80 divided by 8 is 10. 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Separate them. 80 divided by 10 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. 80 divided by 16 is 5. 5 multiplied by 13 is 65. So 35 represents the first fraction, 30 represents the second fraction, 56 represents the third fraction, and 65 represents the fourth fraction. So since 65 is the largest among these representatives, it means that the largest fraction is option D. Very simple. Hope you understood the lesson. If you're preparing for the ASVAB test and you need one-to-one tutoring, you can contact me via the mail in the description of this video. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you in the next one.